Hello, and welcome to this lesson on basic computer parts. The parts that I will show and explain are both on laptops and desktops. The motherboard is what houses the different computer components and provides a way for them to communicate with each other. You can think of the motherboard as the bones or the central nervous system. Next, we have the processor. The processor is how fast your computer can think, the brain. The processor is also measured in megahertz, or MHz. This is how many times per second it can handle instructions. RAM stands for Random Access Memory, which is measured in size, typically gigabytes, and speed, which is in megahertz. RAM is often simply called memory. RAM is essentially a super fast, high-speed storage that your computer and its applications utilize to store and access temporary data. The speed of the RAM also impacts how fast the computer can run. Next, we have hard drive. This is where all your files are stored. There are two types of hard drives. Mechanical, which operates similar to an old record player, and solid-state drive, which means there's no moving parts, which means it's also a lot faster at retrieving and saving data. Next, we'll talk about the video card. As it sounds, this handles how images and videos are processed or displayed on your computer monitor. Your computer monitor connects to your computer's video card. And lastly, we have the power supply. The power supply is responsible for bringing power from the outlet to power the motherboard and all connected devices. And that ends our discussion for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.